guys, welcome to another virtual tour here at Best Properties in the Philippines, and this is your locator, Lorena. What you can see right here is the famous icon of Dinalupihan, which is the Mount Malasimbo. And right here is our vacant lot, premium at its best since dito sa section na ito, makikita nyo ang overlooking ng Hermosa, and it's very, very beautiful at night and very pleasant by day. Why? Because you can see all the greeneries. Ito ang pinaka-selling point talaga ni Sapang Balas because it's endless blue skies, white clouds, sobrang tahimik, and it's a very prominent neighborhood. On this side, if you will see here kay Google Map natin, this is the 2026 version of it. Right here is Camp David's or Camp David. If you know Cara David, expose na muna natin siya for the sake of this video, but that is their estate. And here is beside the property ang ating JC Mountain Place, which is also a well-known resort here in Sapang Balas. So the property here is zoned at 5,000 actually for commercial spaces. So, oops. Ayan, naglalag yung aking computer, hindi na kinakaya ang aking powers, but it is zoned at 5,000 for commercial spaces, and the residential sections are priced at 3,000 to 3,500, which makes this property a very, very affordable at its line. Kumbaga dun sa kanyang sa kanyang range, dahil si property natin is only being offered at 4.5 million. This right here is titled, and if you will divide that into the lot size of 1,200, so that makes it only 3,750 given the location. You have Camp David's, JC Mountain Place, which is this pool right here. And tuloy-tuloy tayo doon sa taas na meron ng mga food houses, Malasimbo restaurant, which is pinupuntahan talaga ng mga tao. And this section right here is already the subdivision already managed by Greenview Subdivision. And on this side, we also have a subdivision coming up. So this makes this property with its overlooking view ng Dinalupihan and Malasimbo at a very affordable price of 4.5 million only. So, I'll have another video for it para makita nyo yung kanyang area. Makita nyo kung gaano siya kaganda sa gabi at gaano siya kaganda sa umaga. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye!